National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey until 3:30 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandbrook, or 16 miles west of Somerville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hackettstown, Durham, Washington, Mendham, Flemington, High Bridge, Clinton, Peak and Gladstone, New Hope, Oxford, Hope, Glen Gardner, Chester, Far Hills, Stockton, and Grass Castle. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 31. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 14. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, and Warren. The National